everyday conveniences through piped town gas that is safe and reliable. This is what City Gas brings on demand to more than 800,000 homes in Singapore. From a continuous supply of town gas to energy-efficient and environmentally friendly kitchen solutions such as gas water heaters, gas hobs, gas clothes dryer, plus a wide range of kitchen solutions from premium brands at the City Gas Gallery, a first stop for kitchen solutions and Singapore's only experiential centre that offers live product demonstrations on gas appliances. City Gas carries a wide range of high-quality heating appliances powered by piped town gas. Find out more about the gas water heater. Learn how you can adjust the water heating settings according to your preferred temperature and how you require only one set of gas water heater in order to connect to 2 bathrooms. If you wish to get a clothes dryer, there are more reasons to select the gas-powered clothes dryer. Compared to the typical electric clothes dryer, the gas clothes dryer provides soft, dry and fluffy laundry in half the time needed. Your laundry will also be almost 100% germ-free as the gas clothes dryer kills dust mites and microorganisms. Expect an enjoyable and safer cooking experience with a City Gas gas hob with timer control. These gas hobs are designed with a flame failure device that helps prevent any gas leakage. When the preset time is reached, the timer control feature immediately cuts off gas supply and sounds off an audible alarm to the user. More than 1 million households in Singapore use gas, so if you have just collected the keys to your new home, we invite you to explore the wide range of gas appliances and kitchen solutions available at the City Gas Gallery. Select the greener and more cost-effective choice for your family today.